Alright, here's an irregular frame. You can see the solid wooden frame and the shape is unusual. Something looks like a triangular. You can see two types of colors mixed of blue and the white color. Now, as you know, this is a Christmas time, so we're going to draw a Christmas tree very nicely in this background. First, we're going to draw the main trunk. So somehow it looks like a pointy tree, the Christmas tree. Everybody knows it, very regular and common appearance. We're going to draw the pointy part from the top with a green color, and then we're going to expand it on the side. All right. After taking the green color, we're just putting it's like you can see in a separate entity, and one slope is different from another slope, so it looks like a slope from the top. It happens naturally because when the snow falls, because of this steep and slopeness of the tree, the snow cannot uh, stand or cannot stay within the tree. So because of the slope, it just fall on the side. All right, we're putting more color in the middle, then spreading on the right side. All right. Taking more green. Okay, so from the center, it just getting a little bit less and less and steeper on the side. All right. When you use the color, we always try to mix it up within the canvas as good as possible so that no color is left. Okay, so the tree is almost spreading in all directions. Some branches may be separate. You can see the visual appearance. In the bottom, we're going to put some greeneries like this one, so which is just at the bottom of the tree, and other parts remains good enough for the snowfalls covered with snow. Awesome. So after this one, we're going to put some snowfalls on the side. So going to take the help with the white color. So only the top portions going to be the white, and other portions remain green like a same version. Okay, as you know, the more you work on the details, the more it looks good on the canvas. So when you do the paint, just take your time and do slowly the nice details. All right. Okay, and as you know, the Christmas tree is very well decorated, and that's why we're going to put some colors for the lighting. Let's use a smaller brush like this one, and put some multiple colors like yellow I'm putting right now, so that we can show that the tree is very decorated because of the Christmas celebrations. So multicolor lighting is happening all around the tree. So very decorative tree. So all these colors just define the nice appearance of the Christmas tree. Looks like a very good celebration. So this is going to be the white color. Next we're going to put the white color after yellow. So yellow is done. Now you can see the white dots around the tree in different parts. Okay, that's another types of lighting and decorations. So all the white dots, few white dots we're going to put in the sky so that it does looks like a night sky, shiny night sky. All right, and then finally we're going to put some red color for the decoration purposes so that the tree looks good. And the red dots we're just putting all over the tree from top to the bottom. Just maintain the nice progression. After putting all the color and the decoration, it looks really nice. So very simple, just you can try at home with a simple canvas drawing the Christmas tree. And thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Merry Christmas. Have a nice vacation. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.